African Network for Prevention Against Child Abuse and Neglect Uganda chapter, AMPCAN, has released a child abuse and neglect situation analysis report portraying a corrosion in children's rights protection against violence, abuse, neglect, as well as exploitation. Of the 15 domains of violence against children sampled, denial of education needs, child labor, and sexual exploitation take the lion's share of the causes of child abuse.
Property rights, especially on orphans, they are denied access to the parents' rights, the right to inheriting the parents' property. Further analysis for April and May is that April, that's why we have Easter holiday. And May, we have the holidays. So children are more vulnerable during the school holidays and also this seasonal period when children have the holidays, like Easter, when we have the Eids, when we have Christmases, that's where we have also the issues.
In the report, child-headed families remain the leading driver of child abuse and neglect, only rivaled by homes run by single parents.
Children who are staying or who are living with the both parents, yes, there were abuses that was the least. The implication being that if you have your child and the child is living with relatives, please do a follow-up regularly. Get to know that this child is a potential child to get being abused.
Regionally, the Central Region posted the highest number of cases, followed by Busoga, Bugisu, and West Nile, while the Northern Region posted the least. Whereas police have a child and family desk strictly for such matters, the report reveals that most victims preferred reporting to relatives and their peers.
Children fear police. When you say police, we are taking the police, they fear. And also the manpower there seems not to be very, very professional in handling the cases of the children.
It is on this accord that civil society organizations in children's rights protection field, led by the African Network for Prevention Against Child Abuse and Neglect Uganda chapter, are calling for concerted efforts in the struggle to prevent child abuse and neglect.
All the actors in that area, as we mentioned them, police, parents, LOCs, private sector, faith-based organizations, NGOs, we need to work together in a functional referral pathways. Yes, so that we complement, because we don't have resources, but we have different expertise and capacities. Also, can we look at also allocating resources to the police to train its staff in being sensitive to these cases of the children who are reported there? Because if children are not supported and they grow up in that vulnerability, they will also become abusers in the future. And we shall have high crime rate in the future. So to stem it, we have to do it today.
This comes barely a month after government enhanced salaries for police officers. Dorcas Kimono, UBC News.